So the next design tool you have is images. This is a little bit different than uploading your own imagery. So with images, it lets you search all the Cricut images. So you can browse different categories and themes that you may be looking for. So let's say, for example, we wanted to look for some animals or some wildlife. You can see that there's a bunch of pre-created designs, and these come with a fee. So you can see most of them are probably 99 cents. Like I said, you can also access or sign up for Cricut Access and get these images through that subscription. Okay, so you would select on one of these images and it would load it into your design space. I'm just going to go ahead and hit cancel here and focus on creating our own designs and our own shapes.